Welcome to another episode of Sam the Builder. This cracks me up so much. So here at this home center in Japan, you can buy a fake crocodile for $1,000. I just think it's hilarious that they've got these things in cages and they're chained up. Like, someone's gonna try and steal that. I get the cage because kids will probably want to sit on it, but there's a kangaroo as well with a little Joey. That's also $1,000 on that price tag. And then there's a gorilla and a lion. I think in the future, when me and May buy a house, like a bunch of land and build a house, I'm probably gonna put both of these things in my front lawn. Although, I need to find a way to make it cheaper because $1,000 a pop for these, just for a bit of Australia, I don't know, I feel like it's a bit too expensive. Anyways, starting off today, getting another half a can of paint, which is all we need for the rest of the floors, and a bunch of other supplies so we can get everything done. Then we're gonna head to the shop. I think Jeff's already there waiting for me, so we're gonna get right into it and get the floors finished today. So back at the shop now, I've already got Jeff to work. He had work off today, so he's able to come help out. And he's getting the primer down. You got probably the grossest job out of everything, I think.
I love it, bro.
So he's working on primer, and I'm about to do the third coat on the majority of this side. I'm gonna probably stop about here, and we're just gonna leave this section here. This has 2 coats on it, and then once this dries, we'll then, move that over into that corner, and then I'll do the third coat on this side, and I'll be doing the second coat on all of this, and then the first coat on all of this when Jeff finishes, and then we'll pretty much then rotate. So then I'll be doing the third coat on this tonight and the second coat on this, and then I'll probably go home and do the third coat tomorrow. Or I might stay here and do the third coat too, who knows, because you don't really need to wait that long. It's like an hour between coats if you want. So it should work out pretty good. Anyways, I'm gonna get started, get this stuff coated, set you guys up on a time lapse, pick it up from there. Going around all the edges with a brush and hitting the places that the roller can't get to on this side. But I've already done the third coat on that section. Jeff's finished with primer, and then we'll play the waiting game a little bit there. We'll probably both tag team this and get this thing double coated after I finish doing this, and then it's pretty much just about all done. We then just need to do a third coat on this and 2 more coats on this section here. Let me show you. So as you can see, this whole section here is now primed. That'll probably be ready for us to do a coat on when I finish doing the second coat on this. And then, so first coat, second coat will then be tacky enough for me to do the third coat. Then when the third coat's done on this, I'll be able to do the second coat on that. And then I can then just sit around and wait for an hour to then do the third coat on that. And we will be finished, done, ready for this thing to dry overnight, lead until tomorrow. I'll let it set probably for 2 days, 48 hours straight, and then we'll be ready to start loading cars in here. I'm hyped, man. Looks so much better. Completely different shop, and then we just need to get the walls resolved, so that'll happen probably in the next few weeks as well. But yeah, you excited, Jeff? Hell yeah. So we're taking a little break, and I can't wait to show you guys the floors when we get back to the shop. But we're just hunting around. There's apparently a little ramen shop around here, like next to McDonald's, so we're trying to find it right now.
Break out the Google Maps.
So like down a sketchy alleyway? Anyways, we're gonna get some ramen. I'll pick it up once we get there. All right, let's get ourselves some ramen. Well, it's not really ramen, I guess. It's. Would you call Tantan Man ramen?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, that's ramen? Okay. Not typical ramen, I guess. So we're going with the black sesame Tantan Man. It should be pretty good. I'll show you when we get it. This place is pretty legit. I love it. So here it is, the black sesame Tantan Man. And I don't want to ruin it too much, but there is ramen in there. See that? Is it good, Jeff?
A+.
A+. All right, gonna mix this up a bit, and then we're gonna get in there. I'm gonna probably. Ooh, is that egg on the bottom? No way, dude. There's egg on the bottom too. This is a whole meal here. I'm gonna put some pepper in this and some garlic, and go to town. So back at the shop now, and this is so awesome. Be prepared, guys. This is everything I envisioned and more. It looks like an entirely new shop now. Now we obviously still need to do a few more coats, and I'm about to start doing that, but just look at this. Damn. It's so good. So hyped. So from like this crack over here is all been 3 coats. So this is done. Over here, 2 coats, and here 1 coat. So what my goal is 3rd coat here, 2nd coat here. Actually, well, no, I can't do 2nd here first. So in an ideal place, if this was drier than there, I would do 2nd coat here, then 3rd coat, and then back here for a 3rd coat too. But I just don't think that's gonna work. I don't think this is dry enough yet for me to start walking on it. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get the last final coats done on this whole section tonight. And then probably by the time I do these 2 coats, this is dry enough for me to move all of this to, and I could even get the 3rd coat done on this section. Damn, yeah, actually that's a really good idea. So I might try and get everything done tonight. I'm gonna push through. It's about 8:15 right now. So we're gonna be here for a fair few hours. It's gonna be a late night, but it's gonna be well worth it because the floors will be done. So here is where I'm gonna leave today. I have done 3 coats here, here, here. This side here is only 2 coats. I still need to do a 3rd coat. It's nearly midnight, so I'm gonna head home. I still got a video to edit and stuff like that, so it's gonna be a late one for me, but the floors are looking amazing. Absolutely. Just, you gotta look at this from out here. It's kind of mind-blowing just how much of a change this has made inside the shop. Like, so freaking good. It's amazing. Now, the only thing that's left to get done is the walls, and this thing's gonna look even better. I'm so glad I spent the time to do this. It definitely was worth it. I'm hyped. I hope you guys aren't going to get too upset now that SAMMIT the Builder series is going to be coming to a close very soon. Obviously, we're now done with the floors. The walls are next. I'm glad we don't touch the ceiling because floor gang is life. But that aside, I think the walls will get done really, really quick. I got some cool plans with that. But yeah, the floors is definitely the most tedious thing just because like we can't really do much in here and we have to keep shuffling around to do certain sections of the floor and all that kind of stuff. And it's been pretty hectic. But anyways, it's finally done. I'm so hyped. I know I keep saying it looks amazing, but it really looks amazing. And I think we're gonna leave it here. I'm not sure if this video is gonna be short or long or whatever, but I hope you enjoyed it. Smash that like button, write us a comment, and subscribe. And for all you Floor Gang members out there, Floor Gang, in the comment section, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace out, Jamata.